Good morning, everyone. I'm Uma Maheshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. In this video lecture series, I'm going to explain about the applications of IoT. That is under the topic applications of IoT. In this particular video, I'm going to explain about the applications of Internet of Robotic Things. IoT, it is nothing but a Internet of Robotic Things. It is used where the intelligent devices can monitor events, fuse sensor data from a variety of sources, which uses local and distributed intelligence to determine the best course of action, and then act to control or manipulate objects with the physical world, and in some cases while physically moving through that world. The various features of IoT are to make the intelligent decisions and the computation with those robotic things, and the sensing or precision of the particular data, then connection and control. The first one will see the futures one by one in detail. The first one is making the intelligent decisions. That is, robots may be capable of making intelligent decisions as well as operating autonomously. But in most cases, the robots are somewhat limited to particular functions and can only indulge in interacting with the physical world. Then the another unique quality of IoT is that it interacts with the physical environment unlike IoT, and this is where IoT becomes relevant. Then the next one is computation. This is another great feature of IoT where the devices perform intelligent computations. This can be done by using both cloud computing as well as the edge computing. The devices can actively learn from the data as sensory input, which is used in it as a variables. The next feature is sensing or precision, where moreover in computation, the IoT has the ability to accomplish complex tasks with the correct course of action implemented. Now we'll move on to the sensing or precision. Here the IoT devices perceive the environment both physically and digitally. To elaborate a bit more, IoT devices are perceived through software, sensors, and various other technologies like RFID, radio frequency identification, and GPS. Sensing is also needed for sharing and collaborating with devices as well as humans. The next feature is connection. One of the most important factors which are considered to be pivotal for the functioning of IoT systems is the connection with other devices on the network with the internet, as well as which establishes proper communication via the internet, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or other systems. Control. IoT needs minimal need for human involvement as automatic control, which is provided to the IoT systems, where IoT based systems accumulate data from other devices through various communication networks. This is a huge future as IoT device can learn from data sources without the need for any human assistance. Then IoT has great potential for consumer use and maybe the cornerstone of the fully automated smart homes of the future that needs to make robots economical still stands as a barrier for that. Then most of the current applications of the IoT are with the industrial robots. Since using IoT to optimize supply chains can bring a lot of benefits, corporations are eager to implement those systems. Then where Amazon, which uses robotic fulfillment centers, which has already put robots to use on a large scale in the warehouse. Fulfillment center employs robotics alongside human employees for packing boxes, moving inventory, and other purposes. Then Chuck, it is an intelligent mobile robot for warehouse automation created by 6 Systems. It maps zones where more work is needed to save time, moves automatically, which has the mechanism to avoid collision and so on. Then iRobot. This here we use smart vacuum cleaners for iRobota, which have the potential to pave the way to automated smart homes. These are not sentient by any means but are connected to the cloud can suggest and work through schedules and navigate pathways. Assessment, how we are connecting these IoT in a future application, then how in which future is most reliable when compared with the future applications. Thank you.